This is the homework. It says two friends spent different amount of money. Remember, it's different amount of money on their recent visit to Cerritos Mall. Savannah spent 6 more than twice Serenia. Okay, Savannah, we got Savannah. Savannah. And then she spent, how much did she spend? 6 more than, okay, than is flip. So 6 plus, that goes in the back, that's plus 6, because it's flipped. Twice is 2 times. Sorry. That's 2 times twice Serenia. Serenia. Sorry, Serenia. Okay, so we have Serenia here. So it's twice Serenia, 2C. Okay. And we got Serenia here. C-I-E-N-I-A right there. And we have no information on Serenia in this word problem, so we just give her the letter C for her name. Ugh. Okay. Well, if Serenia spent $65, so Serenia, we spent $65, how much did Savannah spend? Well, if Serenia C spent $65, Savannah, we'll write Savannah spend right here, so we know who we're talking about. How much did Savannah spend? Savannah spent, let's see how much. Okay, Serenia 65, Savannah is twice plus 6, so right here is 2 times C, Serenia twice Serenia is 65 plus 6, that's 130 plus 6, so Savannah spent $136 at the mall. Okay, that's how we got our answer. Two friends spent different amount of money. Okay, so here's the problem. Two friends spent different amount of money on their recent visit to Cerritos Mall. Savannah spent 6 twice Serenia spent. So same thing here. The two friends spent a total of $120. So these two together added got a total of, well, we're right here, so we'll do another one to have you see better. If the name of the person, okay, name Savannah. Anyways, forget it. Let's just do here. We know we're going to add these two together right here. And they add to a total of this. Totals equal. Okay, so together right here, if you add, you get a total of $120. So they get a total of $120. What do we add? We add this first. So that's 2C plus 6. And then this here, the C, plus the C, that equals to the total, those two together, 120. So combine like terms, I need to make my 6 look like a 6 and not a B. Okay? That's not much better. Anyways, don't matter. 3C plus 6 equals to 120. Minus 6 minus 6, that's 114 equals to 3C. Divide by 3, divide by 3. Let's use a calculator here. Let me stretch this a little bit further. Okay. 114 divided by 3 equals 38. $38. C is $38. Serenia then, because that's who C is, go back. Serenia spent $38. So how much did each friend spend? First, Serenia spent, I'm sorry, Serenia, but I need to spell your name right. He spent $38. Let's see how much Savannah spent. If Serenia spent $38, Savannah spent twice that plus 6. Twice this, 2C plus 6. Plus 6. Okay? So 38 times 2. 38 times 2 is 76. These two, I'll erase this. You see where I'm getting it from, right? That's 76 plus 6 is, so Savannah spent $82. Okay? That's how we come up with that one. Okay. Number 3. 3 friends had a certain amount of CDs. Leonard had the fewest. Jordan had 10 more than Leonard. Danny had 3 times as many as Leonard. Okay, 10 more than, 10 plus, flip, Leonard. Okay? Danny is 3 times as many as Leonard. So times Leonard. Oh, we don't know times Leonard. Okay, so we have the person Leonard. They never give us any information on add, subtract, multiply, divide, so we give him the letter L for Leonard. Jordan, we know he had 10 plus Leonard, so Leonard plus 10 because of the flip. Okay, Leonard plus 10. Danny is 3 times Leonard. Danny is 3 times Leonard. Okay? If the 3 friends had a total of 90 DVDs, so add these all together. That means total means add them all, and you'll get 90. Okay? So, if you add all of them, you get 90. So Leonard plus, okay, that's this L right here, plus this right there, L plus 10, plus the last one there, 3L plus 3L, and it has to equal to 90, the total. Okay, combine like terms, we got 1L makes 2L plus 3L makes 5L, plus the 10 equals to the 90. Minus 10, 5L equals to 80. Divide by 5, use a calculator, even though when you can do it in your head. Calculator, 80, divide by 5 equals 16. So L equals to 16, and L belongs to, of course, Leonard. Leonard got 16 DVDs. So Leonard equals to 16 DVDs. Okay, Jordan then is 10 more than Leonard. So if Leonard got 16, 10 more is 26 DVDs. The last one is Danny. Danny is 3 times Leonard. So 3 times Leonard, Leonard is 3 times Leonard. Leonard is 16. 3 times 16 is 48 DVDs. So Leonard definitely had the fewest. Leonard had the fewest. Right up here it said. And this proves it. He had 16, his friend had 6 and 48 DVDs. Okay, that's how you do that. One back problem here. Okay, make no solution, then solve it. Okay, no solution, the coefficient has to be the same. The number attached to the variable has to be the same. So they give us this side already, 4p plus 8. So this coefficient has to be the same. So this has to be the same as that. So 4p has to be 4p. Cannot be any difference. I'll make it blue like that so you know it has to be absolutely the same for no solution. Okay? Now, no solution, this cannot be 8. Can be anything but 8. Cannot be 8. 8 would be wrong. So I'll put plus 10. Okay, has to be different than this number right here. And then we solve it. Take out the variable first. They're on both sides. Okay? That gives you 10 does not equal to 8. That's why it's no solution. Infinite, making infinite solution. Infinite solution is everything is the same. So you got 4p plus 8. Well, the other side has to be exact same. It has to be also 4p plus 8. So the missing number here for these two is 4. 4 next to the p and the 8. So it looks like that. The missing number is 4 and 8. To look exactly the same, let's solve it. Minus 4p minus 4p. That's 0. Oh, this is 0 plus 10, by the way, and this is 0 plus 8. That's how we got that. Plus 8 equals to 0 plus 8, and 8 is equal to 8. That's why it's infinite solution. This is no solution right here. One solution, okay, one solution. For some reason, kids have a hard time. Okay, we start out with knowing this. Right here, it's important, 4p plus 8. 4p plus 8. Okay, now, on this side, everything has to be different. These cannot be the same as this. Absolutely different for no solution. So I can't have 4p, I can have anything. I can have 10p, 9p, plus whatever I want, plus 1. Let's say plus 1. Okay, now you get rid of the smallest variable, always the smallest, to both sides, minus 4p minus 4p. Okay, cancel that out to be 0 plus 8, and that's 5p plus 1 equals 2. 0 plus 8 is just 8. That's why, just 8. That's why they just cross it out and leave it out. Minus 1 minus 1. So that gives me 7 equals to 5p. Divide by 5, divide by 5. And 5 into 7, how many times? 1 time with a remainder of 2. Like that. 1 time with a remainder of 2. And that's your answer. Okay, that's